everybody, welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic is square and square root. Square means you should be take product of a given number with itself. It is called square of a given number. Suppose you have number 1 and if you want to find its square, so multiply a given number with itself. So 1 1s are 1. Suppose 2, so 2 2s are 4. 3, so 3 3s are 9. Similarly, you can do find out its square by this way. Now, this 1, 4, 9, then 16, these all are called square of a sum number. That's why it is called perfect square numbers. And these perfect square numbers always it's ones place digit or unit place digits. Perfect square ones place digit always either 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. You can find out this way. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 because 2 2s are 4, 3 square is 9 because 3 3s are 9. Now square root. Square root is the inverse operation of a square. Its symbol is this. Suppose I say square of 2 is equal to 4. So its inverse you can write this way. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. But one thing remember here, 2 square is 2 into 2, that means 4. Minus 2 square is minus 2 into minus 2, that means plus 4. That's why you can say square root of 4 is either plus or minus 2. So square root of any number is you can write plus or minus, because plus square is also a positive and minus square is also a positive. For finding a square root we have two methods. First is the prime factorization method and second is division method. Let us consider one example for prime factorizations. Find square root of 1296. So first of all you should be find prime factor of a given number. So 1296, find out its prime factor. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Then 8 plus 1 9 divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 2, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 3 3s are and then 3 1s are. For finding the square root, you should be make pair of 2 digit. Now, for finding its square root, instead of 1296, you can write 2 square, multiply this 2 square, multiply this 3 square, multiply this 3 square. Now, here find square root of 1296. So you can find this way. Square root as it is, instead of 1296 you should be write its power form. Now remove this sign, square root sign, so its power become 1/2. So 2 square into 2 square into 3 square into 3 square. Now take individual power of its base. So 2 raised to 2 into half, into 2 raised to 2 into half, into 3 raised to 2 into half, into 3 raised to 2 into half. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So you have 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. 4 into 9. So 36 is your answer. So you can write your answer this way. Square root of 1296 is equal to plus or minus 36. Now same example, find its square root by division method. For division method, your first step is you should be make pair of 2 digits number from right to left. So 1296 make pair of 2 digits from right to left. Now divide this way. 12 is very near to which number's perfect square? So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. 16 is more than 12, so perfect square is 9. So 3 3s are 9. Now take subtraction of these two. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Whole group is down here. So 96 you should be right. Double of this digit. 3's double is 3 2s are 6. So write here. Now you put here and here same numbers whose product is very near to 396 or exactly 396. Check out 61 into 1, 61. 62 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. 63 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18. 64 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 6 here, 1 carry forward, 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. 65 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry forward, 6 5s are 30 plus 2, 32. 6 6s are 6, 6 6s are 36, 3 carry forward, 6 6s are 36 plus 3, 39. So this is 396. So you should be put here is 6 and here is 6, its product is 396. So you get its remainder 0. That's why you can say square root of 1296 is this. That means plus or minus 36. Let us consider one example based on these two same method, but we take here in form of decimal fraction. Now for finding square root of 17.64. First of all, you should be write this decimal point this way. 17.64, you should be write 7064 upon 100. Remove this decimal point. So here 2 digits, so write here 2 0. Now according to our power rules, take individual power. So 1764 upon square root of 100. After this, take out prime factor of numerator and denominator both. So 1764 prime factor find out and 100 prime factor find out. So 1764 definitely 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1 9. So definitely this number is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 is left 14, 3 4s are 12, 2 is left 3 7s are 21. Then 3 4s are 12 and 3 9s are 7 7s are and 7 1s are. Same find out prime factorization for 100. 2 50s are, 2 25s are, 5 5s are and 5 1s are. After making its prime factorization, take 2 pair for finding its square root. So now you should be write this way. Numerator square root, but if this you should be write in form of prime factor. 2 square into 3 square into 7 square. Same way you should be write 2 square into 5 square. Square root cancel according to our previous method. So this is 2 into 3 into 7. This is 2 into 5. So you can write this is 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42 upon 10, which is equal to 4.2. So square root of 17.64 is 4.2. Now same example consider here for by division method. So for division method you should be write given number, and in decimal fraction or decimal you should be make a pair from decimal to right and decimal to left. 2 pair of a given digit number. Now 17's perfect square is 4 because 4 4s are 16. So 4 4s are 16. 1 and this whole pair is down. After decimal points pair is down, you should be right here decimal point. 4's double is 8 right here. Then put same and same digit here and check out its product very near to 164. So 81 1s are 81. 82 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. So definitely 2 and 2. So this is 164 0 0. So square root of 17.64 you got 4.2 or plus or minus you can write because this is square root. If you really like my channel, please hit share, subscribe and like it. Thank you.